Welcome back my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. 1971 Ford F-250 Crew Cab 4x4 is an undeniable classic that stands as a proud representative of vintage American truck engineering. With its bold design, rugged powertrain, and reliable performance, the 1971 F-250 continues to capture the hearts of collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates timeless automotive craftsmanship. This crew cab variant was among the few full-size trucks of its era to offer 4 full doors and seating for up to 6 passengers, as something relatively rare at the time. The extended cabin made it popular not just with ranchers and construction crews, but also with families who wanted a truck that could handle both work and adventure. Built tough with Ford's iconic strength, the body featured durable steel construction and a long cargo bed, making it ideal for heavy-duty hauling and towing. Under the hood, the 1971 F-250 Crew Cab 4x4 came with several engine options, ranging from the reliable 300 cubic inch inline 6 to more powerful V8s like the 360 and 390 cubic inch engines. These power plants were paired with manual or automatic transmissions, and with the 4x4 system, the truck offered solid off-road capabilities. Whether navigating muddy trails, climbing steep hills, or plowing through snow, this F-250 could handle it all without breaking a sweat. In terms of design, the truck sported clean lines, a wide chrome front bumper, and squared-off fenders that emphasized its tough character. The back bumper was equally robust, often featuring step access and towing attachments. Inside, the cabin was simple yet functional, with durable bench seating, metal dash components, and large analog gauges that were easy to read and operate. Comfort wasn't luxurious by today's standards, but it was more than adequate for its time, especially in the crew cab model, where rear passengers had generous legroom. When it launched in 1971, the Ford F-250 Crew Cab 4x4 was priced competitively for its size and capability. Back then, the base price hovered around $3,000 to $4,500 depending on configuration and optional features. Of course, in today's collector market, restored or well-preserved examples can fetch significantly higher prices, so often ranging from $25,000 to over $60,000 depending on condition, originality, and upgrades. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. What makes the 1971 Ford F-250 Crew Cab 4x4 so special isn't just its durability or utility, it's the emotional connection it builds with its owner. It's a truck that feels like a part of the family, capable of working hard during the week and taking you on unforgettable journeys over the weekend. Its vintage style, unmistakable rumble, and commanding presence make it a standout on both city streets and rural backroads. Whether you're a collector, a Ford enthusiast, or simply someone drawn to classic American vehicles, the 1971 F-250 Crew Cab 4x4 remains a symbol of strength, reliability, and timeless design. Over 50 years later, it continues to impress, proving that some legends never fade.